Hello, today we are going to talk about Ambit FinServe Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Ambit FinServe Business Loan, having minimum turnover of 25 lakh to 300 crore. Co-applicant age should be between 23 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 675. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 2 lakh to 50 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 20% to 28% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 3% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory, lady co-applicant for proprietorship ship. Business vintage should be 3 years. Processing mode will be online. Ownership proof is required. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Ambit Finvest Business Loan: no physical PD up to loan of rupees 25 lakh. Location will be 75 kilometers from Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad, and for other 50 kilometers from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are animal husbandry, beekeeping and cattle field, dairy and dairy products, fish and fish farming, poultry, butcher and mutton shop, spices and grams, edible oils, diamond traders, gems and stone traders, goldsmith, gold and silver showrooms, metal scraps, real estate agents, builder and developer, microfinance institutions, chit fund, NBFC and Nidhi company, actor, singer, entertainer, painter, media, advertising and promotions, KPO, BPO, call centers, security services, advocate, job recruitment consultants, guest house and mess, hostels, lodges, restaurant and bar, diamond traders, liquor, wine shops, metal and paper scrap, dry fruit, DSA, verification agents and collection agent, NGO, MLM, religious leaders, social workers, politicians, internet, cable operator. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents: KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership firm, LLP.